Hello, Professor and colleagues. Our cross-curricular proposal is called Afro-Colombian Project. With this project, we pretend to empower students to recognize their culture features like traditions, beliefs, festival, gastronomy, customs, etc. I consider that English is easy to integrate or adapt to other subjects in order to contribute to the development of the final product. For example, in the oral tradition activities, the students can interview their grandparents or relatives about legends or traditional stories from Chocó, Buenaventura, Tumaco in Spanish, and then they can write or translate them in English. On the other hand, um, um, English, art, and social studies can be integrated in order to organize some activities from the Petronito, like the fashion show, because the students have to research the typical clothes and jewelry, the hairstyles, like the use of tocados or turbantes. Um, and then they can design the cloth with the art teachers and make the presentation or performance of the activity in English. On the other hand, also with the organization of the videos where the students have to show some Afro-Colombian recipes, they can include meals and drinks. And this is a collaborative work where the students can use digital tools in order to develop ICT skills. Um, yeah, and we consider that during the development of this project, the students can be digital citizens, they can construct their own knowledge